Here's a quick video on how to do the rear window regulator on your BMW 3 Series. So on this one, what you do is you've got 3 of these boards, these like screw boards, and what you do is on here, pop this off, that would be this one, and then you pop this other trim off, which goes along here. And then what you do, these are T25s or T20s, whichever, and you just undo those, and then on the back got just a bunch of clips. You just need to pull it towards yourself. On this one you don't pull upwards, but you pull towards yourself. And then this one, you just flip this tab up and then you can pull up. Disconnect the cable, this cable, which will go to the down under here. Take this panel off, take the motor out. You can pull back on this, pull the window out, push the window all the way up, just make sure it doesn't fall. And then you undo those 3 nuts, and then you can just take this out, and then refitting is the opposite. First step is you put the regulator in place. You can put this one bolt in, because this it's got like a slider in here, and then you can fit the motor, because otherwise if you fit the regulator all the way you won't be able to get to this bolt. So fit it now, and then what you can do, once you fitted those bolts, you can just line up the other tabs as well, the other 2 studs, and you can fit the nut on those. It's 1, 2. These are just 10mm nuts. Just like that. You can connect our plug back in, and then if we just pull the window down, that should snap in place. Should be in place now. Yep, if you look in there, you can see the little tab. This is now in place. Now what we can do to test it, we can put the ignition on, and then we can connect this back onto the door, and then just check that this now goes up and down correctly. So ignition on, we're going to test from right here. That's up, so we'll need to go all the way up and then keep holding the button for about 5 seconds, so it resets the automatic stop function, and then we'll go down all the way, and then we'll do the same all the way down. Keep it down for about 5 seconds, and then now the one tap function should work.